Welcome back to my channel. My name is Farida and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the half double crochet stitch and the double crochet stitch. This is a three-part tutorial videos on the basic crochet stitches, so if you haven't watched the first one, link will be in the description below. Please go watch it before watching this. So let's begin. I have 20 chains and we're going to start the half double crochet. So to make the half double crochet, we're going to skip 2 chains at the beginning. So that is the length of a half double crochet, 2 chains. And because I want to have 20 half double crochets, I already have 20 chains. I'm going to add one more, and when we skip these 2 chains, the 2 chains are going to count as the first stitch. So these 2 chains will count as our first half double crochet. So let's make the half double crochet. First, you're going to yarn over and then skip these 2 chains in the beginning, 1, 2, and you're going to insert your hook in the 3rd chain. So my hook goes into the 3rd chain and I'm going to yarn over, pull through this loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So we have a half double crochet here. This first chain counts as our first half double crochet and this counts as the second half double crochet. So let's make another half double crochet. First, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, this chain here, yarn over, pull through the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. We have the 3rd half double crochet. So let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain. We're going to yarn over and pull through the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So another half double crochet. You're going to do it all through the chain till you reach the end of the 3 loops. So I'm going to finish my half double crochet to the last stitch and then show you how to begin the next row. And my last half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and we are done. So if you count all the stitches including this skipped chains, we are going to have 20 half double crochets. So we're going to begin the next row. Going to chain 2, that is the length of a half double crochet, 2 chains like so, and we're going to turn the work. So this first half double crochet counts as the first stitch. So the next one we're going to yarn over, and we're not going to work here because this is the first stitch, and since I said the chain 2 counts as a stitch, we're not going to make another stitch in this first stitch here. So we're going to start in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Remember, under the 2 V's like so. So yarn over, pull through. You have three loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops. So we have our second half double crochet. You can put your stitch marker at the top of your chain too to remember where your row begins. So I'm just going to do another half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, which is this one here, and under both V's, both loops here. So yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So another one, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So this is how the half double crochet is done, and when you reach the end of the row, you're just going to begin the next one with chain 2 and repeat that for at least 10 rounds. So I'm going to do my 10 rounds and show you how it looks after the 10 rounds. So this is my 10th round, and I'm going to make the 2 last stitches. So 19, and finally on top of this chain 2, you're just going to pick the top of the chain at the top like so, yarn over, and we have 20 half double crochets on this round as well. So I'm just going to chain one and cut the yarn. So this is a swatch for the half double crochet stitch. So there is technique I use to avoid these holes. I'm going to show you in the later tutorials, but for now this is how a half double crochet stitch should look. This is a 10 row swatch. It's called a swatch when you make a half double crochet fabric like this. It's called a swatch. So this is a 10 row half double crochet swatch. So I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet. To make the double crochet, I have my 19 chains. I want to make 20 double crochets. So my ideal number of stitches, that's 20 minus 1, it gives 19. And then we're going to add the number of chains to skip, which is the length of our stitch. So I'm going to add 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the length of my double crochet, and it counts as a stitch because we're going to be skipping all those 3 stitches. So to make a double crochet, you're going to start with a yarn over and then double crochet, insert your hook into the 4th stitch from the hook. So yarn over and pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And that is how to make a double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch or chain, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So this is how to make a double crochet, and I'm going to finish this row and show you how to begin the next row. And for my last double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're done with the first round, and if you count it including this skipped 3 chains, you have 20 double crochet. So it's the same for half double crochet. Your ideal number of stitches minus 1, and then you add the number of stitches, a number of chain you're going to skip, which is 2 for half double crochet. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So to begin the next row, we're going to start with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. So turn your work, and this counts as our first stitch. So we're not going to work anything into this stitch. You're just going to yarn over and begin your next double crochet in the next stitch here. So we're skipping this first one, and in the next stitch you're going to yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So I'm going to finish up this row. I'm going to insert my double crochet on top of this chain 3 here. So you're going to insert it on top of the last chain there. So okay, so this is it, and I'm going to make the last double crochet like so. So 8 more rows. On my last stage, I'm going to do it just on top of the chain 3. I'm inserting my hook into both loops at the top of the chain like so, and then yarn over and finish off my double crochet. So I'm going to chain 1 and cut the yarn. Sorry. So I have my 10 rows here. I just want to compare it to the half double crochet so you can see how different in size they are. It's the same weight, but the length is different. This is because the double crochet is longer than the half double crochet. And this is the end of today's lesson. If you do try it, please tag me on Instagram. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and follow me on my social media accounts. Link will be in the description. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.